We are pleased to show you 2021 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.